everybody in our channel, fellow crypto enthusiasts, welcome to the spectacular world of crypto Halloween, where we unmask the mysteries of cryptocurrency's world with me, Steven, your guide through this journey. And just like Halloween, the world of crypto is full of excitement, surprises, and touch of magic. In today's video, we'll share with you a new project, but before we dive into this crypto Halloween adventure, please note that I'm not a financial advisor and the content presented in this video is not a financial or investment advice. The information provided here is just for education and entertainment purpose only. So don't forget to put like in this video and comment, and see you after this intro. Hi there, fellow crypto enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm super excited to dive into something special with you. A project that's been making waves in the centralized finance space. It's WifHat Fairland. Now before we jump into these details, let me just say I'm not affiliated with this project in any way. I'm just a regular crypto lover who stumbled upon something pretty cool and wanted to share it with you all. So what's all this buzz about WifHat? Let's check it. So as you see here, this is the website homepage about tokenomics and also the roadmap. As you see, the website is well done, very good quality, good graphics. I always love the websites with good graphic. You can check from here the contract address. And also, what about this project? WifHat is all about fairness. It's a Fairlands project, which means there no fancy presale or secret allocation to insiders. Everyone gets a fair shot at grabbing some tokens right from the get-go. And speaking of fairness, the team behind WifHat is all about transparency and community engagement. They're not hiding behind closed doors. They're right there in the trench with the rest of us, building something awesome together. The tokenomics, as you see here, total supply, this is the number, tax 0%, and the presale is 50%. This is the phases of the roadmap from A to Z, including 4 phases: contract deployment, website creation, locked liquidity pool, social media platform setup, community memes, competition, and after that the phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. Now you might be wondering what sets this project apart from all other projects out there. Well, beside the fair launch, there are also big decentralized and community governance. Yep, you heard that's right. With WifHat, everyone gets a say in how things are done. No big way calling at the shots, just a bunch of passionate folks coming together to make decisions for the greater good. Let's check the Telegram of this project. As you see, this is the Telegram. All links, as always, will be in the bio. And this is the pink cell finance. You can collect your wallet. And this is all details for this project that's based on Solana. And you can buy it from here. As you see here, the sale is live and the pre-sale ends in 60 hours. But wait, there is more about this project. It's just about fairness and community. They're focused on long-term sustainability of this project. They're in for long haul, building something that's all stand the test of time. So whether you are seasoned crypto vet or just deep into world of cryptocurrency, WifHat Fairlands is definitely worth keeping an eye at. Who knows, it might be just the big shank in the crypto space. Well, that's all for today. Don't forget to put like, subscribe to this channel, and especially come to this video to say what do you think about this project. You like it, you dislike it, do you see that will be very good in the future, or your comment will be good for the community. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.